Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video, and today guys I'm playing some Among Us and let's find a game. So I'm pretty good at Among Us if you ask me. Okay, we are here and I think the game is starting. Oh, it's a weird game, bro. Nature is my elder brother. Okay, it started, guys. Oh man, I'm a crewmate. Okay, so let's get started. Guys, I think there's a glitch. I can't move. Okay, now I can. It's really hard to move. Oh my god. It's kind of hard to move. Okay, let's do some tasks. So, it's too hard to move even. So this task. Throw it in. Throw it in the bin. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it's an emergency meeting. Noted body scan. Wow, sack. Okay, I don't know. I'm just spam talking over. Okay, never mind. Skip. Okay. Voting begins. I'm not gonna skip. I'm gonna vote nature. Nature is sus. Okay, let's see. Voting ends. Okay, so there are 15 people. Okay, so we're not the imposter, but people can catch us that we're fake imposters. So let's just get started. Wolala. I'm just gonna type Wolala. Nature got 2 votes, and he's ugly. No one was skipped. No one was skipped. Okay, so it was a skip. By the way, I have some flaming hot Cheetos with me, but I won't eat them right now. So, okay, let's just start. Okay, let's go this way and go here. Oops. Okay, let's just go. God, nature is so sus. Nature is super duper sus. Okay. I can't barely move, like, bruh. Okay, let's do this. Let's do it for me, thank you. Let's go over here. Oh, why don't they toss dead boy others? This task is mine, dude. This task is mine. This task is mine. Bro, this task is mine. This task is mine. Okay, bro. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding? It did me right now. Okay, let's see. Hey, yo, what the? Hey, what What is going on, bro? Oops. Ugh. I'm not doing tasks. Why is my controller so weird? I literally have to put my finger and there's no controller. Like, are you serious? Like, are you kidding me right now? I'ma run. Let's talk the security. I destroy. My name is I Destroy. Okay, so let's get up. And I'm here, so... Okay. Guys, I'm giving you guys, if you want me to do a face reveal, then we'll need 10 subscribers for face reveal, okay? We'll need 20 subscribers for face reveal. Okay, so Kuitikwa. Bruh, I'm gonna, guys, sorry, I have to leave this video and hope you enjoyed it. So bye guys.